Welcome. This video will provide an overview of the academic technologies used by Morton College. If you are a new or continuing student with Morton College, here's 5 useful resources for you. 1. Access your email. 2. Access the learning management system. 3. Upload your profile picture. 4. Change the language settings. And 5. Access your in-person or online course. Let's get started. Start at the Morton College webpage, www.morton.edu. Next, click the Panther portal, where several college resources are located. Enter your username and password, then click the Sign In button. Now you are logged on to the Panther portal. Here's where you find your email. To the left of the email, you will find the Learning Management System, also known as Blackboard Ultra. Click your name in the menu to access your profile. To upload your profile picture, mouse over the avatar until the pencil appears. Click the pencil, then upload your picture. To change your language settings, click here. This is your email address. To access your in-person or online course, click Courses in the menu. Then select the course. Your Blackboard Ultra course will appear. Click the session you wish to join if this is a virtual course. Let's review. We covered how to access your email, access the learning management system, upload your profile picture, change the language settings, and access your in-person or online course. You are now ready to begin the new academic term.